What's up, Teal gang? It's Zane, and welcome back to some more Zane Teal Kitchen! Woohoo! So today, we're going to be doing a recipe that's perfect for spring and summer. Today, we're going to be making strawberry lemonade. Woohoo! What's cool about this recipe is that it has most ingredients that we have in our house. So before we get started, let's go over Zane Teal Kitchen rules. Rule 1, always read the ingredients. Rule 2, always wash your hands. And rule 3, have fun! Woohoo! Have fun! So let's get into the ingredients, shall we? So first you're going to need 1 pound of strawberries. So next you're going to need 5 to 6 lemons. Then you'll need about a cup of sugar and water. And that is all you need for this delicious recipe. Alright, let's get to it. So for our first step, we're going to need to squeeze our lemons. As you can see, I've already squeezed some lemons as it appears. About 5 lemons right now. So I'm about to squeeze the 6th one. So I'm going to use my knife. Don't worry, this is a kid-friendly knife. I got this knife from Chef Free Club. Check out my latest video where I check out their subscription box. Okay, so now I'm going to cut my lemon down the middle.
Now I'm squeezing the lemon juice.
Okay, so now we're going to blend our strawberries and our lemon juice. Now we're going to add our strawberries. Blend. Okay, so now we're just going to blend. If you like a lot of strawberries, then you don't have to blend too long. If you like it smooth, then you might want to blend a little longer. Alright, so we're going to move on to our next step. So I poured our lemon and strawberry into the pitcher. You're going to need about 6 cups of water to pour in your pitcher.
We're gonna make our own simple syrup. First, you'll need to boil a cup of water. Then we're gonna add a cup of sugar when our water is boiling. Then you want to stir your sugar until it's completely dissolved. Then let it cool and put it to the side. Here I'm just adding the simple sugar to our mix.
So now you just stir it all together so it can get all nice and even. Now I'm going to add a few cups of ice. So now I'm going to stir it in. Now I'm just going to add some more strawberries in for starts. That's good enough for me. Okay, that's pretty much it. How about for you a cup? Okay, 1 for me and 1 for you. Cheers. Clink. Tastes good. Refreshing. Okay, alright guys, that's it for the strawberry lemonade recipe. Please thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe, and tell your friends, and see you later, Teal gang. Peace!